Welcome back to another OneMonroe Minute. Today, we're going to be taking a look at neodymium magnets. Neodymium magnets are the strongest commercialized permanent magnets available. They're made from an alloy of neodymium, iron, and boron, and are considered rare earth magnets. Neodymium magnets are commonly available in both sintered and bonded forms. Sintering involves compacting the powder in a die and then fusing the powder into a solid material. They can be pressed using either die pressing or isostatic pressing. These magnets come in a variety of grades, which are a measurement of the strength of the magnet. The grade starts with the letter N and is followed by the maximum energy product of the magnet. The greater the number, the greater the magnetic field the magnet will generate in the application. These magnets also need a protective coating because the neodymium reacts to oxygen and will oxidize if untreated. Common coatings include nickel, gold coating, chrome, copper, and epoxy resin. Neodymium magnets are used for a wide range of industrial applications, including locks, bearings, motors, generators, and much more. Electronics and medical equipment also utilize these magnets for various applications, such as smartphones, speakers, microphones, and MRI machines. They're even used on ski goggles to lock lenses into place. To learn more about neodymium magnets, be sure to reach out to one of our sales engineers. Thanks for watching this week's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos in the future, and we'll see you next time with another OneMonroe Minute.